Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to activate a Lazada PayLater. So first of all, you need to go to Lazada PayLater application page from the app and then tap on activate. All right, this will take you to this screen here. Make sure to read and agree on the terms and conditions, blah blah blah, and then click apply now. And then you'll get an OTP. Just simply enter that here and click submit. Then you'll need to verify your ID. Make sure to place your ID within the frame, take a clear picture and submit. Then you'll need to take a selfie just to match your face with the ID. And once that is done, fill in your app information like your first name, middle name, ID number that you have taken a photo of, your gender, date of birth, place of birth, and SS number. No need to add any TIN number here. It's very optional. Then submit to your application. It will take some time to review your application. And once that is done, you'll see a notification like this that says Lazada PayLater is ready to use. Now, using it is very simple. On your Lazada app, choose the item you want to buy, then click buy now. And once you have tapped buy now, you'll see a screen like this, and where you'll see this option called Lazada Pay Later. And this actually allows you to purchase this product now and pay in installments. So you'll see it in the first two options. If not, you'll have to click view all methods of payment. Then you'll see this here. Now, if you then select the installment plans for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and up to 12 months of installments, and just confirm your selection, and that's it. It's very simple to do. And I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.